Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Instructor Cory, and today we're diving straight into 5 killer tips on how to not die on a motorcycle. Yes, you heard that right. These are life-saving tips. Let's hit the road. Tip number 1, gear up. Your gear isn't just a fashion statement. It's your frontline defense against accidents. Always invest in a DOT-approved helmet and robust protective clothing. Whether it's a rough scrape or something more serious, quality gear can literally be the difference between life and death. Remember, no shortcuts here. When you're speeding down the highway, these are the things that protect your most vital asset, you. Tip number 2, maintain your machine. Your motorcycle isn't just a mode of transport, it's the very vessel that keeps you alive on the road. A pre-ride inspection is non-negotiable. Check your tires, brakes, lights, and fluids every single time before you ride. This isn't something that has to take a long time either. Once you get in the habit of doing this, it can take you anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds to give your bike a once-over and make sure it's all ready to rock and roll before you hit the road. A small glitch like worn tires or a faulty brake can lead to a disaster when you least expect it. So, treat your bike like a trusted companion and don't neglect this tip. Tip number 3, ride defensively. Always assume that other drivers might not see you. Keep a generous gap between you and other vehicles. Signal your moves early and be prepared for anything that might come your way. Defensive riding is about anticipating problems before they occur. By staying alert and being proactive, you're already one step ahead of disaster. Tip number 4, increase your visibility. It's a simple concept with serious implications. If you can't be seen, you can't be avoided. Use bright, reflective gear and position yourself in the lane where you're most likely to be noticed by other drivers. Even on dark or foggy nights, this extra step adds a layer of protection against drivers who might misjudge your presence. Give yourself the best chance possible to be noticed and seen by other motorists. Tip number 5, always keep learning. Riding is a dynamic skill. There's always more to master. Attend motorcycle safety classes, practice emergency maneuvers, and never get complacent about your skills. Know that every ride is an opportunity to get better. Staying educated means you're not only improving your technique, but also equipping yourself to react smarter under pressure. Let's sum that up. Remember to gear up, maintain your machine, ride defensively, stay visible, and keep learning. Follow these tips and you'll drastically reduce your risk on the road. And if you've got even more good tips, share them in the comments. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination, so ride smart and ride safe. Thanks for tuning in. If you loved these tips, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more life-saving motorcycle advice. And speaking of life-saving advice, what if you've been riding for a while and you feel like you're still making some mistakes on 2 wheels? Well, then watch this video next to learn some of the worst mistakes beginner riders are making and how you can fix them.